out this pre-owned 2018 Ford. This three-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 88,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, power windows, front air conditioning, power steering, digital odometer, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.